Do you still remember there is uMembezi wakwaMacele? Macele was coming in Muzumbe with her crowd. Makhumalo and Mangwabe were outside. Macele got angry why Makhumalo was outside because she was supposed to be inside her house. Mangwabe, when she saw the crowd, Mangwabe go back to her house. Mayeni says she was not there because Mayeni was respecting the tradition. The tradition says when another wife is getting married, other wives are not supposed to be there. Maybe Macele didn't tell them the time they were coming because Macele is not staying in Muzumbe, didn't call them that they were coming. That's why Makhumalo and Mangwabe, they were outside. That's why Makhumalo now buy a house in Durban because she saw that when she is keeping staying in Muzumbe, Muzumbe is the only her home. She is not going to be free. So Makhumalo buy a house in Durban. Musamseleku is blaming Makhumalo. Why you buy a house in Durban? Because he want to control them. Makhumalo did it for her, save it for her free, because when she is not okay, she can stay in Durban, came in Muzumbe. Because in Muzumbe there is other functions. He want to have some of the functions with Macele. Maybe they are not supposed to be there most of the time. So it's not okay. And Macele was blaming Makhumalo. What she was doing outside is their compound. Macele is not staying in Muzumbe. So there is no need to get angry. Maybe they don't know the right time they were coming. And now Makhumalo, guys, she did the right thing because she knows that when she is staying in Muzumbe, that house in Muzumbe is only her house. She is not going to be okay. Last time on season 8, Musamseleku want to have a function about introducing Makwela. So Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni says, why you invite us because we are not supposed to be there. That's why Makhumalo buy a house in Muzumbe, because Musamseleku want to have his functions with his wives. They can have their functions. We were not there. It's okay. Because now, guys, even last time, Macele have a function. Macele was blaming Makhumalo what she was doing outside. It's a compound. You understand? It doesn't make any sense because in Muzumbe, it's everyone's compound. When they want to have function, she can be controlled or to blame what are you doing? This is my compound. This guys, Muzumbe, everyone can talk about it. You understand? So Macele, there is no need to complain, even it's their tradition. But Macele have to understand that Musamseleku's wives is their compound, is where they are staying. There is no need to get angry that she can get angry about Makhumalo, that what Makhumalo she was doing outside. There is no need because maybe they delay to tell them, or they tell them that they are coming in Muzumbe, but the time was gone because it was showing that Makhumalo was busy doing the housework. They were doing what they were doing at that compound. But now Makhumalo managed to buy her house, guys, in Durban. What she did, she was doing it for, we want to be free sometimes, because in Muzumbe, Musamseleku and Macele want to control, like it's their compound, what I saw. That's why Mayeni doesn't allow that Macele can control in Muzumbe. You understand? Because in Muzumbe, what I saw on that compound, it's like Macele and Musamseleku's compound. Because even Macele was not staying in Muzumbe, but she was still controlling Muzumbe, everything. Maybe there is something weapon in Muzumbe, Macele is there, what you understand? So that's why Makhumalo says she have to buy a house for herself, can call herself, she can come at time what she want to come. You understand? She can do whatever she want to do. It's not about Makhumalo. When she buy that house, she knows that even Makhumalo have a house in Muzumbe, can stay in Muzumbe, Durban, Muzumbe, Durban. When she is not okay, can stay in Durban. You understand? To have a free time. In Muzumbe, those wives, guys, they don't have free time because everything, Musamsele want to control them. Macele want to control them. But Mayeni doesn't allow Macele to control her.